How to show what game you are playing on Discord. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Discord application and locate the settings icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then simply click on it to proceed. After clicking the settings icon, a new window will open on Discord. Please find the activity settings among the options on the left hand side of your Discord interface. Then proceed by clicking on Activity Privacy and then enable all the options under Activity Status. This will allow Discord to automatically track when you launch a game. Now, after completing the previous steps, launch any game and it will be displayed on your Discord as a status message. But if you want to change now playing on Discord, then all you have to do is open Discord and click on the settings icon again. Then navigate to activity settings and select registered games and look out for no game detected message option available there. Then click on add it and add a game. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.